It's live.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We got a pretty cool video lined up for you today. We got a new shipment from RollingThrottle.com. Thanks to Drew, send us out Dad's new Sawicki Speed exhaust. He's got the tab performance on here right now, so we're gonna do a little comparison of the two. See how they sound difference and weight difference. So.
Yeah, we're gonna see which one's louder. We got a sound meter that we're gonna check the sound.
Yeah, so we're gonna get into that, but before we get into that, we wanted to mention that this Tuesday night we're gonna be on the Iron Pony Life podcast with Chris.
January 28th.
January 28th.
Yeah,
At
January 28th.
At 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Eastern time.
Yeah, 7 o'clock Eastern time. So check out the Iron Pony Life podcast. He's on YouTube and
yeah, that's gonna be cool.
Everything. So we'll be on there talking about the new bikes, new Indian and Harleys, and we got some announcements about more details about our ride coming up. So stay tuned for that, and we're gonna get into this install.
Yeah, we're gonna get after it.
All right. Okay, we're gonna get into the first part of our sound test here. We got our sound level meter right here, Amazon special. We're gonna cold start Dad's Street Glide. It's got the tabs on it right now.
Extremely cold.
Yeah, extremely cold. It's cold. All right, here we go. Alright, so looked like it was reading about 100 the whole time.
That was 3,000 RPMs.
Well, when it was idling, it was around 100, and then 3,000 RPMs.
Yeah.
It was like, I don't know, you saw on the screen, what was it, like 115 or something?
115 or so.
Alright.
We're going to get the Sawickies on.
Yeah, let's get this install going. Alright, we're out here. It's a new day. With exhaust install was a little bit more complicated than we thought. So we ran out of time yesterday, but we got more time today. So check it out. We got the brand new Sawicki installed.
Yeah, the mid.
Man, I think it looks awesome.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, let's fire it up and we'll see what the decimal meter says. There we go.
All right, here we go.
All right. Much louder, but it sounds like kind of deeper.
Yeah.
Man, I think it's sweet though.
Yeah.
What do you think, Jerry?
Yeah. It's like a more throatier sound.
That's yeah, exactly. gonna do the next part of our little sound test. So both the Sawicki and the Tab idled at about 100 on Dad's. So that's a 24 Milwaukee 8. So it's a 117, but Jarrett's is a 22, so it's a 114. Maybe a little bit different, but he's got the stock exhaust on here.
It's close enough for just to compare.
Yeah, just comparing what's how loud's the stock. All right, let's see it. Alright, so I don't know how well you could see it, but so that one was idling right around like 93, so that was like 10 decibels less, and then revving it, he got as loud as when the other one was idling. So yeah, obviously the stock is quite a bit quieter.
Alright, we just got the Tab mufflers off of my bike on Jarrett's bike now on the 114. Mine's a 117.
Alright, so we're gonna see what she sounds like.
Yeah. He's gonna do a ride by on it.
Do a little snow riding here. All right.
I think it's kind of loud, ain't it? The Tabs.
I mean, it's loud, man. I don't know. The decibel reader thing said that they were like the same. I think the Sawicki sounds louder though.
Yeah. Might be because we want it to be louder.
Yeah,
but I don't
probably.
Really think it is.
Maybe.
Those Tabs sound good.
Yeah,
So
it does sound
those
good.
Tabs have the zombie baffles in them, but I took the baffles out and drilled like 30 holes in each one, and I put muffler packing in it. When those come from the factory, they don't have any packing in them, and there's no holes in the core at all. It's just straight pipe, and then the can's just empty. So those have muffler packing and holes drilled in them.
So it's kind of a modified Tab exhaust.
Exactly. I have the whatever the ones are with the holes in them.
Louder.
It's louder.
Can't think I make it up the driveway, did you?
Yeah, those sound good.
Yeah, it does sound good.
According to our sound level tester, the Sawicki and the Tab exhaust are about the same.
Yeah,
About
almost identical. Yeah.
Yeah, they're
100.
the same level of loudness according to the meter.
Yeah, what was
It's
the
about
noise?
100 decibels idling and like 115 at 3,000 RPMs.
But
And the stock one was like 90.
Yeah, like 93. So it was a little bit quieter.
Yeah. But the ear test says a Sawicki is a little louder. It sounds a little louder to your ear. It's a little bit different of a sound. Hopefully you can tell in the video.
Yeah, they sound different, and I think the Sawicki sounds louder, but
Yeah.
apparently it's not. But I think it
Yeah,
is.
the ear test says the Sawicki's louder for sure.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we're looking forward to getting on the road. Hopefully it makes you run a little better.
Yeah,
We'll
as
see.
soon as the weather's better, not frozen, we'll test it out on the road. But
So,
yeah.
thanks to Drew and Rolling Throttle for getting the exhaust sent out to us so quick.
Yeah.
If you need anything for your bike, check out rollingthrottle.com. Use our code BTB859. Save you some money.
Yeah. Check Rolling Throttle out, and remember to check out the Iron Pony Life podcast coming out January 28th. So
7 o'clock.
Eastern. 7 o'clock Eastern. 7 p.m. Eastern.
Yep, on YouTube. Jared will put the link up, right?
Yep. I'll have the link in the description.
all right, sounds good. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.